Hello, my name is Raviteja Korpalli. Today I am explaining about the security flaws in Windows Server 2008. Windows has introduced a newer version of in 2008, which code based on Windows Vista and improved security features like the image installation, even logging reporting, and security features such as improved Windows firewall, network frameworks 3.0 technologies, which are partitioning the system resources dynamically, where each partition has its own processor, memory, and the input-output hosts, and are independent in their partitions. In addition to the improved tools like the self-healing NTFS files and failover the clustering, Hyper-V improved server manager role management tools. Every operating system has security flaws likewise, and there exist a fewer Windows Server 2008 versions. Maybe graphic memory corruption, vulnerability, that is fonts and common entry points, like the hacker codes. Uh, Remote procedure call is another flaw, through which is an arbitrary code is executed using the malformed asynchronous RPC request. Also, HTTPS system remote code execution is a vulnerability that allows the attackers uh, can send the domain names servers are not properly analyzed. Uh, Windows servers which are configured in the DNS servers are subjected to the vulnerability where the remote codes are executed in the requests are not properly parallelized, and attackers can run their code easily. So the attackers can create an applications which can be connected to the Windows DNS server, and later on create the request to the contains the malware code. These codes are modified to the request and sent to the servers. So the even Microsoft was also is aware of this issue, which as a vulnerability was found. An update was released later on. The issues were addressed, and in the applicable to the Windows-based servers and the DNS servers roles installed. By modifying how DNS servers are requested to modify, the issues can be resolved. Considering an operating system age of the design which in the way of the way of the healthy user friendly environment, and even clients a security policy established to clients for protecting the operating system called Windows Security Health Validator SHV, which is a design to focus on the following aspects such as there are three aspects in it. There are the firewall protection for the unauthorized network traffics and threats, and antivirus software that protects the system, which can be used in every laptops or computers, and the regular installation of the updates. These three are really very helpful for the to securing the server. Using the cloud storages, users are remotely stored in their data and enjoy their demand like the high quality applications services from the shared pool of the configurable computer resources without the burden of the local data storages and maintenance. However, the facts are like using no longer have the physical position of the outsourced data, like the data integrity protection in cloud computing and uh, in hard drives. Hard drives, like the task can be executed especially for the users which constraining the computing resources. Moreover, users also will be able to use the cloud storage of which it is a local without worrying any about the need of verifying its integrity. Thus, this kind of enabling the public audibility for the cloud storage, if and critical importance of which can be resolved by third-party auditor to check the integrity of the outsourced data by varying the fees. So that's worry free. To securely introducing the effective TP of the auditing processes, like mm, the vulnerabilities towards the data privacy and introduce the additional online burden to the user. In this paper, the purpose of the securing the cloud storage system supporting and privacy preserving by the public auditing. We further extended the result to enable the TPA to perform the audits from the multiple users simultaneously and effectively. Extensive security and performance analysis shows that processor of the scheme of probably secure and highly efficient. Other preliminary experiment conducted on these Amazon EC2 instance further demonstrates the further performance of the designs and the enabling public audibility for the cloud data storage security is critical importance, such as users can resort an external audit party to check the integrity of outstanding data when needed. To securely introduce the effective third-party auditor, the following two fundamental requirements can be met. Their two fundamentals are the TPA should be able to efficiently audit the cloud data storage without demanding any local copies or data additional online burden to the closer user. And the second one is the third-party auditing processor should be vulnerabilities towards user data privacy in this utilized to uniquely combine to the public key based on the authenticator, which randomly multitasking to achieve the privacy preserving public cloud data auditing systems. These two are the main, and to support the efficient handling of multiplying auditing tasks, which further explore the technique of the linear aggregate signature of the TPA can be performed multiple auditing tasks simultaneously. Cloud computing makes these kind of advantages appealing than ever. It also brings a new challenge to the security threats towards the users and data protection, since cloud services providers are separately administrative entities and outsourcing actually they control over by using the different kinds of softwares. A user no longer physically possesses the true storage of their data. Traditionally, cryptographic primitives of the data security protection cannot be directly adapted. The high efficiency verify corrections of outstanding cloud data without a local copy of data files from the big challenge from data storage security. In cloud computing, they simply download the data from the integrity verification is not a practical solution due to the expensiveness of the input and output cost when transmitting the files to the network to the server. Besides this, often insufficient detect to the corruption when accessing the data. The user contains ability to audit the correctness of the data, and environment can be expensive for the cloud users. Therefore, they fully ensure the data security and save the cloud user computation. Research is a critical importance to the TPA. Who has expertise and the capabilities to the TPA users, they gonna outsource the data will be based on the audit results. Enabling public risk auditing protocols will be play an important role on this cloud economy to become the full established wherever the user need ways to accessing the risk to again the trust in the cloud. Thank you.